Well, good morning and good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's AESQ webinar on APQP Flight Path that builds process control within the manufacturing process. My name is Pete Tatey. I want to welcome all of you today to this webinar. This is the first of an interactive webinar that with a collaboration between multiple subject matter interest group teams, led by Carl Evans, who is our SMIG lead for APQP and PPAP. We also have Eric Prather and Rob Farmden from our RM 13004 defect prevention tools team, Tony Sweeting and myself from the process control methods team. And we're really excited and happy to have you guys participate today on this joint SMIG-led event. It's an important subject, without a doubt. We'd like you can join us in Slido. You can see the password there, APQP. That way you can participate interactively with us on some of the questions that we'll be asking, and it'll be a lot of fun. Okay, next slide, please. This webinar is being recorded so that you'll have access to it afterwards. The presentation material, as well as the video, will be accessible to you on the past events website at the AESQ webpage. And you'll see a URL of that later on in the presentation for the end. So just note that it is, if you would like to ask questions at any time, please use the chat feature. We have quite a few folks on, so it'll be easy for us to have everyone muted, and we will then take your questions via chat. We will try to answer them at the end so that the presenters can go all the way through the presentation. Okay? Next slide. So here is our cast of presenters today. A lot of years of experience on this page. And we've broken up the presentation into a number of segments. And you can see the agenda on the left. I won't read that all the way off. Also, please ensure that you set your mic to mute so we don't get any background noise. Again, a lot of excellent experience here. Also, please, and this is a little bit of a commercial up front, utilize our community of practices for APQP, defect prevention tools, and process control methods. And so that way you can always participate and ask questions to the experts in this industry around APQP and process control, and have access to those experts. Okay, next slide. So the overall purpose today, we're all being asked to drive new programs and new product development through the use of advanced product quality planning. There's no escaping it. It's the right thing to do. And so this is out of RM, Reference Manual 13145. It's also a big part of our AS 13100 set of requirements. So that's all part of our AS 13100 requirements. Today, the purpose of this webinar is to show the interaction of key components of APQP, defect prevention tools, RM 13004, process control methods, 13006, and how they interact to get to a process control state, working together. That's the ultimate purpose of this webinar.